The Nubia Red Magic is unmistakably a gaming phone, and one that certainly stands out from the hordes of glass iPhone X lookalikes that are so common these days. Hey, what's up fam, Vic Christoph with PhoneArena here, and today we're fragging noobs in our hands-on of a cool looking phone for gamers. There's nothing that yells gaming more than an RGB LED strip, but when paired with an edgy hexagonal details and a slew of red vents for extra heat dissipation, you get a phone that is best suited for a single purpose: making your gaming heart happy when you're away from home. A signature feature here with the Red Magic is the convex back, which improves heat dissipation through the 4 red colored vents. The Game Boost mode switch on the side of the phone is also unique. By turning it on, you maximize the performance, mute the notifications, and turn on the RGB strip at the back, announcing to everyone that you're a gamer, meaning business. The Red Magic comes with a Snapdragon 835 chipset, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM for gaming-friendly multitasking, 64 or 128 gigs of native storage to store your files, and finally a 3800 mAh battery that should easily last you a few hours of heavier gaming. But why didn't Nubia go with the much faster newer Snapdragon 845? At the time of the phone's release back in April 2018, the Snapdragon 845 chipset was rather hard to come by, as the bigger fishes in the pond were hoarding it for their own flagships. Thus, the older chipset had to be favored. Luckily, Nubia has announced plans for a Snapdragon 845 version of the phone in the near future, which should be a much more frenzied beast altogether. We played a couple of games on the Red Magic, and while heavy new titles like Asphalt 9 frequently struggled to keep up with the coveted 60 FPS target, older games like Asphalt 8 and World of Tank Blitz played admirably on this phone. Overall, we like the aesthetics of the phone, but we would have loved a faster chipset inside, one that would help the Nubia Red Magic live up to its looks. And this wraps up our hands-on look at the Nubia Red Magic, an interesting phone for gamers. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching this, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.